Hi, my friends. Welcome back. If you are new, hello, my name is Miss Eileen. We are reading a new story today. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I'm wearing? Yes, we are reading a new story, and the title is called Lunar New Year's Eve. Again, the title of the story, it tells us what the story is mostly about. The title is Lunar New Year's Eve. And the story is by four authors. It is written by Pearl Yo, Qinghua, Eileen Wunderlich, and Ben Liff. There are one, two, three, and four authors for this awesome story. And it's illustrated by Siming Liao. Illustrated means this person drew all the beautiful pictures. It's amazing, right? Super talented. My friends, let's see. What do you see? I see dad, sister, mom, and little brother. Little brother is the story's me or I. Little brother tells us the story. Look at all the food. Yummy, yummy. Let's read about Lunar New Year's Eve. Let's read. Today is Lunar New Year's Eve. We want to eat dumplings. Hmm, dumplings. Can you say dumplings? Dumplings. Dumplings. What are dumplings? Hmm, let's see. Mom is holding a bowl of something white. Little brother, or I, am holding egg. Let's count. How many eggs? One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 eggs. Sister is holding green vegetable. Daddy is holding mushroom, brown mushroom, and meat. Ooh, I wonder what they are going to do. Let's keep going. Dad is making dumpling fillings. Dumpling fillings. Hmm, fillings. Oh, this is a filling. This is another filling. This is the third filling. Wow, fillings. Mmm. Mom is making dumpling skins. Dumpling skins. Ooh. Mom is using a rolling pin. Roll, roll, roll. Can you do it with me? Roll, roll, roll. Let's do it. Roll, roll, roll. Yay! We are rolling the dumpling skin. Mom and brother, or I, am rolling the dumpling skin. How fun! Ooh, sister. Sister is cutting out the skin. What shape? Circle, circle. These are circles, circles. We are making dumplings. We are making dumplings. We, brother or I or me, sister, together means we. Together means we. We are making dumplings. How? How do you make dumplings? This is a dumpling. This is a dumpling. Oh, now I know. This is a dumpling. Oh, let's see. Step 1. Oh, you take the filling and the skin, put it inside. Step 1. Step 2. Step 2. You fold the skin. You fold the skin. Step 3. You pinch, pinch, pinch. You pinch, pinch, pinch the skin, and you have a dumpling. Yay! My friends, how many dumplings do you see? How many dumplings? How many dumplings do you see? Can you count with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dumplings. 7. Woo woo. Dumplings have many shapes. Dumplings have many shapes. 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 Ooh, let's look. These dumplings are shaped like a moon. Moon. These dumplings are shaped like a moon. These dumplings are shaped like a 元宝. Ooh, these dumplings are shaped like a triangle. Triangle dumplings. Wow, these dumplings are shaped like a leaf. Leaf. These dumplings are shaped like a leaf. Wow, these dumplings are shaped like a flower. Flower. How many shapes are there? 1, flower. 2, leaf. 3, triangle. 4, 元宝. 5, moon. Wow, so many shapes. There are many different ways to cook dumplings. Cook dumplings. Cook dumplings. Let's enjoy a feast for Lunar New Year's Eve. Let's enjoy a feast for Lunar New Year's Eve. A feast. What's a feast? A feast means a lot of different food for you to eat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. A feast. This is a feast. Do you see many different food? Yes. Yes, this is a feast. My friends, do you see dumplings? Dumplings? Yes. Dumplings. 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 dad, sister, mom, and little brother, or in the story is me or I. Everyone is together on New Year's Eve, Lunar New Year's Eve, to eat together, to enjoy food together. My sister and I wish mom and dad a prosperous new year. They give us red envelopes with lucky money. We wish everyone a happy new year. Wow, my friends, after dinner, we we wished mom and dad a prosperous new year. We say, have a prosperous new year. Happy New Year. And mom and dad give us lucky money in the red envelope. Lucky money, red envelope. Lucky money, red envelope. Lucky money, red envelope. Lucky money, red envelope. Wow, how nice. And do you see fireworks? Pew, pew, pew. We enjoy fireworks too. Well, my friends, this is the end of our Lunar New Year's Eve story. I hope you enjoyed the story as much as I did. This is the back cover of our storybook. Do you see what the brother or the story narrator is holding? What is he holding in his hand? Can you tell me? Yes, you are right. This is a dumpling. This is a dumpling. Your brain is on fire. You are learning so much. Good job. Dumplings. He's holding the dumplings he made with his family. And these, my friends, these red banners are called couplets. Couplets. They are written with phrases and poem and rhymes to bring prosperity, to bring fortune, to bring joy to our family and friends. I hope you and your family enjoy this story. If you and your family celebrate Lunar New Year, myself and the team wishes you a happy Lunar New Year. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.